Welcome back from the breaks, Rams. I'm your weather anchor, Ren Wadsworth, and here is your weekly weather forecast. Starting off with how the weather looked earlier today. Things are heating back up in Fort Collins, and that winter weather is finally melting away. While temperatures were cooler with only a high of 53, the sun was out all day and students could be seen on campus sporting lighter jackets. However, the sun wasn't enough to melt away everything, and ice and piles of snow could still be seen scattered around CSU's campus and especially on the Laurie Student Center Plaza. As we move into what the weather looks right now, it's going to be 39 degrees. And even though it was cooler today, now that the sun has set, it has gotten colder thanks to the sunset moving earlier and earlier into the day thanks to daylight savings time. Now that winter is finally on its way, that means shorter days and colder nights. As we move into tonight's lows, we can see that that is elevated across the state. Starting in Fort Collins, it's going to be 34 degrees, 38 degrees going down the I-25 corridor in Denver, 36 degrees in Colorado Springs, and the lowest in Pueblo at 24 degrees. You'll see that the mountainside of the state is going to be colder, but that is to be expected. The coldest temperatures across the state are going to be Gunnison and Alamosa at 11 and 10 degrees. If we take a look at tomorrow's expected temperatures, it's going to look a little similar to what it was today, but higher temperatures. That high is going to be 57 tomorrow instead of 53 like it was today. It's going to be sunny and cool and less chance of rain and slighter chances of breeze. If we look at tomorrow's highs across the state, you're going to see that reflected as well. Highs in the low 60s and high 50s. Going down the I-25 corridors once again, Fort Collins is going to be 57, 58 in Denver. Colorado Springs at 60 and the high across the state in Pueblo at 64. Again, that plain side of the state is going to be a lot warmer, but that is to be expected. If we look at the 5-day forecast, temperatures are going to fluctuate throughout the week. Starting on Wednesday, again, that high of 57. Thursday, high of 53, dropping it down a little bit. Both days are going to be sunny. As you move into Friday, though, it's going to be a little bit cloudier. That cloud coverage is going to come in, but the temperatures are still going to rise. As you go into your game day weekend on Saturday, it's going to be 59 degrees. Again, cloud coverage is coming in, and on Sunday, it's going to be 61 degrees. That's all I have for you tonight, but tune in next week to see if we can expect the fluctuating weather to continue into the end of November. But stay tuned because after the break, Ethan and Sydney will have a preview of the men's basketball game versus Omaha.